Hello everyone. In the previous video we had discussed about capital adjustment and we did case 1. In case 1, new partner is bringing proportionate capital. What was our case 1? New partner is bringing proportionate capital means capital of new partner was not given in the question and we have to calculate capital of new partner on the basis of old partner's capital. Today we will discuss case 2 of capital adjustment, that is adjustment of old partner's capital on the basis of new partner's capital. Means on the basis of new partner's capital we have to calculate new capital of old partners. Clear? If the capital of new partner is given, then the same capital is used as a base for calculating new capital of old partners. Clear? In this step we have to calculate new capital of old partner on the basis of new partner's capital. So following steps have to be taken for this. First, calculate new profit sharing ratio. This is the case where we need new ratio. In chapter admission, in long questions, we need sacrifice ratio for accounting treatment of goodwill. But for second case of capital adjustment, we require new profit sharing ratio. If it is given in the question, then it is okay. Otherwise, we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio by using 4 cases. Then step 2, calculate total capital of the firm on the basis of capital of new partner. In the previous case, we calculated total capital of the firm on the basis of combined share of old partner. In this, new partner's capital is given, so we have to calculate total capital of the firm by using new partner's capital. How? New partner capital multiplied by reciprocal of his share. Then we will get total capital of the firm. Then in step 3, we divide total new capital of the firm among the old partner in new ratio. Means new capital of old partner, how will we calculate total capital? Calculated in step 2, multiply by new share of old partners. Means total capital will be divided in new ratio. That would be the new capital of old partners. Then step 4, we have to calculate adjusted capital of old partners. It is calculated in capitals account, means two balance carry down of old partner, that is A's carry down and B's carry down. Means adjusted capital means capital after treatment of general reserve, existing goodwill, revaluation, profit or loss, etc. So we have to calculate adjusted capital of old partners. Then we have to compare adjusted capital and new capital in step 5. Calculate difference of adjusted capital from capital account and new capital of old partner. Means we have to compare the adjusted capital with the new capital and put the difference in current account or cash account as per question statement. Clear? Means in step 5 we have to take the difference of this adjusted capital and this new capital and put the difference in current account or cash account or bank account as per the statement given in the question. Clear? Let's do it with the help of examples. See first example. Our common partners, our most favorite partners A and B, their ratio 5:3. C is admitting for 1/5 share and new ratio is already given, that is 5:3:2. Adjusted capital is also given. Means after general reserve, after existing goodwill treatment, after evaluation, profit and loss, the adjusted capital of old partner A and B is 70,000 and 65,000. C is bringing capital 40,000. Now it is given in the question capital of A and B are to be adjusted on the basis of C's capital. Means our case 2. So actual cash is to be brought or paid off to AB. Means balance we have to put in the cash account. So what is our step 1? Calculate new ratio, that is already given in the question, 5:3:2. Then second step, calculate total capital of the firm on the basis of C's capital. What is C's capital? 40,000. 40,000 into reciprocal of C share. What is C share? 1/5, then 5/1. So total capital of the firm is 2 lakh on the basis of new partner's capital. Now we will divide this new capital in new ratio, 5:3:2. So A's new capital is 2 lakh into 5/10, 1 lakh, and B's new capital 2 lakh into 3/10, that is 60,000. Clear? C's capital, if we calculate, remains same, that is 40,000. So calculate adjusted capital, that is also given in the question, 70,000 and 65,000. Adjusted capital is also given in the question. Now in step 5 we have to take the difference of adjusted capital and new capital. This is new capital of A 1 lakh and adjusted capital is 70,000. Difference is 30,000. And B's new capital is 60,000, adjusted capital 65,000. Difference is 5,000. Clear? This is a calculation of new capital of old partner on the basis of new partner's capital.